What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Toxic City by Lil Peep. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your grandmother is a hoe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is pretty simple. It's in standard drop D tuning, which means you need to drop your low E down to a D note. It's got one little riff that just repeats throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, as well as the free ebook called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. If you need either of those, jump into the video description. Once you get done, they are there for you. You're gonna start by barring the A, D, and G string with your index finger on the 2nd fret, and then you're gonna put your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string. And you're just picking A, D, keep your ring finger on the 4th fret, pick low E, D, B string 2nd fret, B string open. That's the first half of the riff. Second half starts the same. Except now you're gonna put your ring finger on the 4th fret of the G string, and you're gonna pick low E, D, and then that G string. So the second half looks like. And I kinda give it a little wiggle there to make it sound kinda cool. And that entire thing just repeats throughout the entire song. So all together, slowly, it looks like. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.